I'm Josh Logan. I'm a urologist, married to a wonderful wife, and together we have 4 sons and raising them in the wilds of Alaska. I was diagnosed with aortic stenosis. I was going to have heart surgery. It was very scary.
I'm Greg Ani. I'm a pediatric oncologist. When I was 16 years old, I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I had fairly extensive radiation therapy followed by 8 cycles of chemotherapy. I was very fortunate to survive. I started to have a mitral valve that started to have calcifications, and then over about a 5-year period, that developed early stages of heart failure.
My name is Henry Dominicis. I've been an obstetrician gynecologist for about 35 years. My father passed away from a condition called amyloidosis. I was genetically tested and found out that it was actually in my system.
So my wife and I did our research and found Dr. Johnston. We flew into town a few days before to decide what type of surgery ultimately was appropriate for me. It was determined that I was a candidate for a mini thoracotomy. All I needed was the valve replaced.
That it was time to kind of do the workup and decide and go for surgery. And the same name kept coming up about someone that had expertise in operating on a radiated chest. So I met with Dr. Johnston through a video visit. I was totally impressed.
I started to do my own research and found out that Northwestern was a leader in treating amyloidosis. I was directed towards Bloom Cardiovascular Institute and Dr. Shaw. That's when I was also diagnosed with cardiomyopathy and I started to receive care here at Northwestern. Once I started my first research treatment protocol, my disease process slowed down tremendously. I feel great.
Traveling to the Bloom Cardiovascular Institute was important for me because I could have gotten it in Alaska. There's great cardiac surgeons there, but Dr. Johnston is special. And so I came to Northwestern to get care with him. It's your heart. Make the right decision, not the convenient one.
I don't know if there's another surgeon or cardiovascular surgery program that would have been able to do my surgery and have the outcome I got. So I feel so blessed to have been able to find Dr. Johnston at Northwestern and be here now, and hopefully can continue doing good things. Best decision I ever made in my life, honestly.
People use this term lightly, but it's been a lifesaver because I know what this disease can do. I can't say thank you enough. Literally, you guys have saved my heart.